In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful, all the praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the Alameen. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope all is well and fine with you. You are safe and sound at home and learning new things as well. Welcome to my lecture 8 for English class 2. Naushin Mirza here from Divisional Public School, Model Town, Lahore. I want you to sit attentively along with your parents and your stationery boxes, having pencil, eraser and sharpener. Let's be focused to learn new concept. Today we will do grammar and usage book, as grammar has to do with the correct placement of words in a sentence. It involves using the proper words. So we'll practice it in grammar. The contents of today's lecture are: we will learn the concept of articles and we will do exercise 10, page number 33, 34, grammar and usage book. Dear students, as you know, the English alphabet consists of 26 letters that ranges from A to Z. Furthermore, alphabets are divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Students, let's learn the concept of articles. Article a or an are used with singular countable nouns. As you can observe around yourself and find out many articles, many things like book, like umbrella, like bag, like box, and so on. So we use a with singular nouns like a cat, a bag, एक bag, and a cake. I'll explain it to you a bit more. How many are these? One pencil, one eagle. Can you tell me which article comes with the singular noun, either a or an? A pencil. Very good. An eagle. Right. Let's review it. A and an comes with singular and countable nouns. A comes in front of consonants like a chair, a school. The word school is a noun having a consonant sound S. Similarly, a lion, एक शेर, a bed, a man, एक आदमी, a woman. Whereas an comes in front of nouns having vowel sounds like an elevator, an egg, an elephant, an oven, an ear, and an avocado. We must remember vowels and consonants are sounds, not letters. A or an are used with singular countable nouns. Let me clarify concept of articles to you a little more. Articles a or an are actually adjectives that tells us about the noun. As you can see in the picture, an apple a day. Look at these now. A used with the nouns having consonant sounds like a cat, a dog. Whereas an used with the nouns that start with the vowel sound, an apple, an orange. Same is the case with an we have read. An comes with the vowels a, e, I, o, u, an apple, एक सेब, an ice cream, एक ice cream, an egg, एक अंडा, an umbrella, एक छतरी, an owl, एक उल्लू. I hope the concept is clear now. Let's do exercise on grammar and usage book. Exercise 10, page number 33, 34. Let me read the question for you. Fill in the blanks with a or an. The first sentence is, please give dash orange. Please give an orange, as orange has a vowel sound O. So an will come in this blank. Please give an orange. Next is, the kitten is playing with dash bat. The kitten is playing with a bat, as the noun bat has a consonant sound of B. So a will come in this blank. The kitten is playing with a bat. My father is dash engineer. My father is an engineer. As engineer has a vowel sound E, so an will fill in this gap. Next is, her mother is dash teacher. Her mother is a teacher. As the noun teacher has a consonant sound T, so we will add a in this blank. Her mother is a teacher. Next is, I want to borrow dash storybook. What comes here? A storybook. Because storybook has a consonant sound S. So a will come in this blank. I want to borrow a storybook. Next is dash elephant escaped from the zoo yesterday. What comes here? an, because the noun elephant is having a vowel sound E. So, an elephant escaped from the zoo yesterday. Next is Mr. Lee bought dash new refrigerator. We will fill this gap with a because new is an adjective and it begins with a consonant sound. So we will say Mr. Lee bought a new refrigerator. Next is Simon eats dash egg every day. Here comes an because egg has a vowel sound E. Simon eats an egg every day. Simon हर रोज एक अंडा खाता है. Mr. Smith is dash artist. Here comes an. Mr. Smith is an artist. Kate has dash teddy bear. What comes here? A. Because teddy bear has consonant sound T, and so we will add A in this particular blank. Kate has a teddy bear. Dear students, we learned the concept and practiced it as well. Let's see what's in home task. Learn and write page number 33 and 34 of Grammar and Usage book on your neat notebooks. If you have any queries or questions regarding this lecture, do inbox me or comment in the comment box. I am here to help you. I am here to guide you. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.